Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So also here we have a possible triangle on the chart, similar to Bitcoin. As always with these trend lines, you can draw them in different ways, but as per this interpretation, we actually broke out to the downside. We had 3 touch points here, we broke to the downside, and yeah, basically what we're doing here at the moment is still fulfilling our Elliott Wave pattern in a wave 2. A, B, C in a 1-2 setup. I basically today started to program my trading bot as per this setup. We talked about that in the member live stream. See if it works out, but I start now to use some trading bots based on the Elliott Wave analysis here. Basically to buy close to the support and then take profits as we go higher, and I'm gonna switch the bot off if we go below key support, all right, and then just move down the grid. But if you're interested at all in that, check out the channel membership and the member live stream. I will definitely keep you all updated though about the progress of this trading bot and the trial basically. Overall, yeah, here we had our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 setup, and then the ABC, a 1-2 setup. Some of the best setups you get in Elliott Wave, and the only one that is better is the 1-2, 1-2, and then going up, because then you know the trade is most likely going to work out. At the moment, we're still trying to catch falling knives here, which is fine. You just need to know that you're doing it if you buy now, right? Which means that we can theoretically still go lower because we haven't got confirmation that the low is already in, which we'll always have after the second one too, okay? But yeah, overall here in the short term, we talked about this wave C being a 5-wave move. This can be counted as a diagonal, so A, B, C in each of the subwaves. You can make it work also to count it as 5-wave moves, the impulses, right? So there's different interpretations now, and to be honest, with that latest triangle shape here, I mean, I still have on the chart here the possibility that this was a wave A, B, and we're now in the C wave of wave 5 of C of 2, which means in the C wave we should get 5 waves. We've got that here as a possible wave 1, possible wave 2, the 3 would be next, then a 4 up and a 5 down. If that is the case, the target for, you know, we broke out anyway, but the target for that move down would be, for the wave 3 would be around 1186, okay? So the next leg down, which should, if this is correct, which should start very quickly, would take us down to around 1186. So we'll know that if we see some strong red candles overnight or tomorrow. However, there's also a different interpretation, yeah, basically possible, and basically we could count from the wave. So we could say the wave 4 was never finished. It only finished on the weekend. And if we go per the red count, then we could have just seen a triangle, an Elliott Wave triangle. And we could say that because it is just a triangle shape, right? So we could say that was a wave A, we came down in a B, we moved up in a C wave, we came down in a D, and we then moved up in an E, and now we broke out down. Very important, if we go with this count, then the best indicator, always with these triangle shapes, and then, the wave 4 ends where the wave E peaks. And then you would expect a breakout to the downside of the triangle. And first indication that a triangle breaks is not breaking the trend line, really. I mean, that is, yeah, the very first indication, but really as per Elliott Wave, you wait for the breakout of the low of the wave D, that is at 1260, so a move below 1260 would indicate strongly triangle is broken, and then the wave B, I mean, in this case, it is the low anyway. It isn't always the case, but it is the recent swing low. So that would be the confirmation below 1218. And then, yeah, we're looking at probably here at around 1180, 1150 or something like that. So the next significant low I'm going to buy and accumulate more. Again, it is catching knives. I know that. But key support is $1,000. So if we go below this, the bullish the overall bullish scenario is probably not going to work out, right? Because we are going through key support then. And then we will probably see lower lows than the June lows at 880. So we might get down to 660 then. Yeah, and that is my update. So generally, I still expect to reverse here to the upside in a wave 3. Again, I'm intending to accumulate more if we get once more and make another low. That would be in line with my Bitcoin wave count as well. Again, nothing is guaranteed, especially at the moment in these markets. We need to keep an open mind. As I told you already as well, the low for Ethereum here could already be in as well. Now, there is nothing wrong with it because we have hit my target area anyway. So we've fulfilled all the requirements for this move down. So we just need to be ready. And if we go impulsively above 1400, then I would say the low is probably already in. Okay, and for that purpose, I already bought at 1250. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.